prisons and some American Camilla last someone. Obi timi kokun obi. Yama the bail of 4 million Ghana cedis. No be a kasama na trace you radio so. Say so I demand penyas them atom. Now he bail condition that one so na so say oni akra. Wakokun obi. Then you ask yourself say why is that obi die obi a wakun obi. Na ne die e wo soro sa. Ba no yefa no nto nchen. Dey ye kan say o man na ye wo mu no. Ye man panyini ye sere no. Ense ma odi dim ko panyinfo bi ti say ye wa wontumi die ya. Aban yedi circumstantial evidence dey jailing 20 years no. Dey ye kan say ochina. Dey kan say ochina. This president is on record say he is one person that was sponsor the biggest backyard dinner in this country. What the Ghana taxpayers money? Aton koko money branch executives. Ekuna we etwa video dey send.
Emra na koye adwuma wo court.
Samra unimumra. Enu na make cha ye man panyini say ye man panyini den koko koma branch executives and this branch executives say omonye no. Wan kan so omonwe no mtwa video ni send no. Enti ene ya branch executives na nya koko na omawe etwa video dey send no ochina bi Samra ne betime di man panyini na. You DC for Amansia West. No, there's a documentary omoji license receipt for Chamfine. Eji receipt for excavators eko ohon mo omoyi adwuma eye galamse say nsuo sensa say from ase bibia ochina wo ho say the euros na say to abibio Santina Bundia near me, Musu kind. Say, Bray Ninka. So when you weaponize the law this way, tomorrow somebody else will weaponize the law. And this state, the peace that we enjoy in this country, if you need to guarantee for yourselves. That's what we are saying. And yet, Sir John, Emrani Okromano. So, what way? What's a punishment enough for you?
Emrani Chairman Bernard and Tribusia. Mra ne wo ho na mampani dada na na Dubai no se mra no de ntia nkrofo emu mra no ana so mo mfa mra no nyehwe se I mean ye be jeli wa je se emu ha
se jo minu nyenim se
enti ya nyenim what is your problem
court and convicted chairman Wontumi se oye galamsi
but mra no
yes I've read it.
You see
they didn't have any evidence about that. They use circumstantial evidence. Yes, some. Let me tell you. You are not misinformed. You are telling the truth.
Emrano, enya baby baako pen can say illegal mining. Emrano nyina anka some for
illegal mining. Was not involved in illegal
mining. Emrano nyina anka, but Emrano susu baby can say yede asase ma say o concession. Yes, o di yeso adwuma. Wonni hu to me so mo bi wura mu. Without writing to the minister.
That's when you are going to do mining.
Oh, now
Wontumi didn't send.
No. You see,
Wontumi didn't send the guy to go and do mining, to go and do reclamation.
But no, there.
No, reclamation. You were sent there to do reclamation. And no, you galamseni abechini. Onu na ese punishment. But the state decided, the Attorney General decided to use the person as a prosecuting witness against the one who had the concession. And that is what is dangerous.
Problem for you to
and dangerous. The public. It's not. No, it's not. We are quoting what the law, the court said.
And according to the law,
according to the law, they are saying no Wontumi should have been aware of what the guy was doing because
he allowed
there was a contractual agreement between Wontumi and the guy.
So allow will be Orlando
to do reclamation.
He didn't. Allow will be Orlando.
One for the mineral rights. One for the mineral rights, my guy. He gave him the opportunity to go and reclaim the land. It did the can say Ochina say baby ba now bani decided say obey weaponize the law. A very dangerous. And that is why the organizer for NDC, national organizer for NDC and Yamin and Yamin individual nam social media or they nantwe and then more as onye nantwe. Me say one way Ochina. You can say nantwe na me mean good no. Because somebody else will weaponize the law.
Sir John, near woman say, said they all can. Sometimes that is what some of the NPP people want to do, to misinform. Na church la say munuma yet to say, but at the end of the day, me woman say a court. Me a question me tie me lawyer. So what I say, and to me for a lawyer, what did they mention when I say? Inti minti nkase ne lawyer abon onim sa mara no or they very good inti let the appeal follows inti say sɛ yɛte ɔman mu na sɛ mmara no akyew na mmara no se ni ne kɔ wakɔgye adeɛ yɛ se mmara no se wontumi mfa mma nipa no wɔ abra wo inform the minister. You didn't do that. Sɛ nipa no yɛ adwuma no na sɛ deɛ waka kyɛn sɛ ɔnyɛ no wanyɛ neɛ ɛwɔ sɛ ɔyɛ a ɛwɔ sɛ wo go back na sɛ kwaku mi ma wo sɛ kɔyɛ reclamation nti menkɔyɛ menkotu na wokɔyɛ no a wotu no ɛdeɛn na ɔyɛ fa ho nti mmara no kwan bi so na akyew. At the end of the day, if you have to plea, but to defend it, at the court. Na say court na wie ni ebu a, we see ye political prisoner. Ana wan ne ko ba na e ba say. Ye pese o man no eto ye. Ana emra no so na edibu man. Say don't tell me ye de mra na ebu man o. Ye mfa me say ana me nua no ana me don na o kan ni nua no ma say na me ka no. The wadwene the principles should work. And the principles and laws eye adwuma ye nyina ye ho beto ye. Enti ni se mra na diwa. The law is the law. One am go fa buy. Enti say no ye nyande na say wo pesa mo ye fa ba say free kejetia to say mo at station so me hu kra na mo